Hello friends, good evening. Today's story is The Fisherman and His Wife. So in a far land, there used to live a fisherman and his wife. So fisherman at the early morning, he'll wake up and he'll go to the river. So daily he used to take the fishes. So he used to take the fishes and he'll sell and he'll come to the home. He'll return to the home. So daily means some days the fishes will remain. So the remaining fishes these fisherman and his wife will eat. So daily the fisherman used to bring something to his wife to make her happy, but she do not like to be happy with her husband. So because she does not like the house in which she was living. So every time the fisherman used to ask what makes you happy, means she'll say that I want to be in a big house, so that will make me happy. So she'll say that will make me happy. So means he'll say that we should adjust what is there for us. So she'll say that I can't live in this house, it is too smelly and I was cleaning day and night. So daily he used to he loved her wife a lot. So he even does not speak a word, even though she was scolding him. So daily she used to give complaints. So one day he sat a lot of time near the river, but he didn't get even a single fish. So at the last he got a fish. It was very heavy. So he was trying to take it out and he bought one fish out. So it was a magical fish. It was very small, but it weighs a lot. So this fish was speaking to him that I am a magical fish, so can you please leave me? So he'll say that yeah, sure, I will not kill any talking fish. So the fish will leave from there and he will also leave to say his wife about this magical fish. So he'll go to the home and he'll say about this magical fish. So she'll say that you should not leave those fishes like that. You should ask any like wishes, so they will they'll fulfill our wishes. So next day morning this fisherman will go to that river and he'll call that magical fish, can you hear me? So the fish will come out. The fish will come out and it will say that yeah, I can hear you, what do you want? So he'll ask that I need a cottage, so that makes me and my wife so happy. So the magical fish will do that and they'll be in a cottage. So he'll ask his wife that are you happy now? So she'll think a night and she'll say that I want a big palace. I want a big palace and I should be the queen of that palace. So again next day means that day only evening he'll go and he'll ask her. So she'll be wife and his wife will be the queen and she'll be in a big palace. So next day morning she asked I should be the emperor of I should become the emperor. So he'll go near the fish and he'll ask, so all is good and she'll be the emperor of that palace and the size of the palace will increase. So next he'll ask her are you happy or no? So she'll say that we'll think that later, so I'm getting sleep, I'll go to the bed. So these both will go to the bed. So the bed is very soft. So fisherman as he has sat on the bed, he felt asleep and he slept. But his wife was not feeling sleepy. She was thinking, but his wife was not happy and she was thinking. A week passed on, but she didn't sleep. So she thought to sleep. So the sun rose. So she felt very sad for that, and she said to her husband, that I should be the Almighty, so I can control the weather. So she said that I should be the Almighty, the unknown. So the fisherman will go near the fish and he'll ask, my wife is wishing to be a Almighty, the unknown. So the fish will think for 1 minute, and he'll say okay, and she'll be the Almighty, the unknown. So the fisherman will go to the palace and search for her wife. So he'll not find his wife anywhere. So later he'll come back to the river and he'll ask the fish, where is my wife? So the fish will say that you said that she should be the Almighty, the unknown. So she became the unknown and she'll not be known by anyone. So he'll say that, so can you please bring my wife back? So the fish will say that no, I can't do that because I cannot undo these wishes. So the fisherman will say that, till now you have fulfilled my wife wishes. Can't you fulfill mine? So I have saved your lives. No, can you please do that? So later he'll go to the home, and she'll be in a cottage, and from then she'll realize that we should adjust what is there for us, and these both people, the fisherman and his wife, will be very happy from that. This is today's story. Thank you.